What's up everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm very excited to do another video which is about the how to install applications from other developers on the macOS High Sierra. As you can see, this is my macOS High Sierra, and this is what I have always encountered every time that I install other apps from other developer. As you can see from this, open Gatekeeper friendly can be opened because the identity of the developer cannot be confirmed. So what you can do is just to click OK. I'm not quite sure if you also have the other experience that I already posted the video as well. As you can see from this, you should inject this image. So you can also check the link in the description about how to install the other applications from other developers on macOS Sierra. But if you are having the problem on your macOS High Sierra, I recommend you to continue watching this video. And if not, just go to the link down below. Or you can go to my channel and then search for the video yourself. So just scroll down because I posted that video last year. So as you can see, it's here. macOS Sierra, how to fix the file is damaged and can't be installed. So just click on the video and then keep watching. But if you are having a problem on your macOS High Sierra, please continue watching. Okay, so now without further ado, let's get started of how to fix the problem on macOS High Sierra. Okay, so let me install this app. Let's see what happens. Well, this problem occurred. So the very easy tip is just go to system preferences, go to security and privacy, and then down there you just click open anyway. Yeah, without click on the lock and change or make some changes. No need. What you have to do is just to open anyway. It's very simple and easy, right? And open. And then just follow the instruction of the terminal. Okay, and drag the app to the application shortcut, and that's it. Now you are done. I think macOS High Sierra is pretty much easier to install apps from other developers than the macOS Sierra, because as I mentioned in this video as well, you have to know some certain codes to install other apps. But for macOS High Sierra, you don't have to do it. What you need to do is just to go to system preferences and privacy and security, and then just click open anyway, and then click on open when you got another confirmation message. Okay, so it seems to be all, guys. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. Please help subscribe for more useful videos in the future, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.